Mm. Hello and welcome to Broken Gear Garage. Today we are going to be doing the hinges on 2004 Ford Escape for the window glass that comes off separately. So I got this one started to get loose. Um, go over here. We got new hinges. The other one pretty much rotted off right where it mounts up to the glass, which is very common on these when they used to do these. It was just that and that one. I already got these all loose. This one is a 10 millimeter nut. And these do not have extra nuts, so you have to reuse the old ones. And then just a little 10 millimeter. No. Yeah. Yeah, that's all I need is
I'll call you tomorrow. I'll get
something
something
in there.
from Chris and be like, hey, just want to get your opinion on this.
Yep.
And if they fail you, I can be like, well, the state inspector said this is fine.
Yep.
Is that got to be glued on or what?
No. Just bolt it on. Probably the crappiest design they ever made for these things.
Is it just a little wing nut or something or what?
So much glorified wing nut.
Corroded anyways. It'd screw in there just fine.
What? Yeah, you came assembled with it on there. Maybe.
Looks like it. Need to do the other side stuff?
Yeah, just gotta get that tightened first.
Okay. I'll do that one and
Yeah.
then go get some seats and shit. So I feel like I did something for that. I still, I was like, really? Fucking micro switch. That's what I've been chasing for like a little while after I fixed everything.
Yeah. I hate these freaking things.
It's like you don't want to over tighten them because then they fucking, it's glass.
Well, then it's yeah, you're going into freaking chintzy metal too. So it seems like it's on there. Yeah. There you go. And it is a Ford, so. And I'll bolt that runs through here. This is just a T30. But make sure it's just snug. You don't want it too tight because, like we're just saying, the glass and stuff like that. So. Pretty much just need it snug. Most time these will just snap off. Let's press. Surprised that one just came right off. Sure don't lose your nuts. Well, you can always do the exact opposite way and get the hinge on the window first. But you want to just not make sure that they're loose. Oh, you can make sure that's right and left. Duh. Wrong side. Just gotta be gentle and careful with these. So yeah, I don't know, might not show much right there. Yeah. So hey, sure. We end up doing it again because it's always fun doing it twice. Yes, then you get the experience of doing them. So when you're roughly out on. Actually, do this differently once. Then we can always grab onto that little bit. Try not being out of the way either. A little better content when you actually see what's going on. I think that's just probably supposed to hold that up in place. Why are we being a pain in the butt? Take a look at that. So these have to come off. Get your little mini primer. Okay, take these off. There we go. Now we can put that on with ease. I think that's what the issue was. Well, they're supposed to be off. I'll show you all of it. Pretty much just little bushings. Come on. There we go. Snug. Snug. Seems to work a lot better, but now I gotta make sure. Oh, that's part of that. So then we gotta take this little clip you off. What I'm doing is taking these little plastic bushings. Then I have the metal on glass. This on the right side is has a built-in one. I just don't know how to do it. It somehow is very difficult. So usually I can use like a little wedge or something in there maybe. Or just keep on doing it the wrong way. Oh, pain in the butt. Try the other way then. There. Cheat it a little bit. do. The main issue is just the window sitting just right, like that. Let's get some spacing in there. Or not. Push her. This. Like something, maybe. There we go. That one. Just like that. Should be flush. Well, that one's kind of arced out a little bit. So we got two. Loosen that one up a little bit. A lot of them have like pretty much centering pins in there. That's one reason why I'm doing that. Just stub gets a little ratchet. Actually tighten it. Because then you're just using no real leverage, just you're tightening it. And then we will. That's it. So add these little covers. Little covers in. Covers. Covers. Pick up this diff. And then that's it. And that good to go. Like new. Oh, that's it. And hopefully that helps. They're looking at trying to replace them, so I'm going to be a lot more difficult with the rusty corrosion. So keep that in mind when you're working on them. But other than that, see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.